Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shahinda binti Rahim. I will explain to you about semiconductor process and its flowchart.
What is a semiconductor? Semiconductors are used extensively in electronic circuits. As its name implies, a semiconductor is a material that conducts current but only partly. The conductivity of a semiconductor is somewhere between that of an insulator, which has almost no conductivity, and a conductor, which has almost full conductivity. Semiconductor have three process. First, product design process, second, front-end process, and lastly, back-end process.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Muhaimin. In product design process, there are two parts. First part for IC design first, and the second one is for the test program for the circuit designing. Production design process also require a VLSI, which means very large scale integration. LSI is process of combining transistor into one single chip.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about front end process. Front end process have 6 example. First is lower metal deposition, second is lower metal patterning, and third is interlayer insulator deposition, and fourth through hole fabrication, and fifth is upper metal fabrication, and six is the semiconductor is complete. For front end process, a wafer testing process, which is process to testing the functionality of every dice in the wafer. The testing will sort each dice into different bin according to the testing results.
In this section, I will explain about the back-end process. We have 10 stages before final test. First stage is wafer mount. Wafer will be mounted on mylar. After that, the wafer will go to second stage, which is wafer saw and wash. Wafer saw cuts the individual die from wafer leaving die on mylar tape. After being cut, wafer after sawn will wash to remove the silicon debris. Then the silicon die will go to stage, which is die bond. The purpose of this stage is to provide mechanical support to the silicon die and electrical connection between die to lead frame. After that, the fourth stage, wire bond, provides gold wire interconnection between silicon die pad and lead frame post. Fifth stage is the mode. The compound protects the device mechanically and environmentally. Transfer molding is used to encapsulate most plastic packages. Then is the sixth stage, which is plating. In plating, lead frame based packages most commonly use thin lead solder plating as final lead finish. After that is trim or form in 7th stage. Trim or form is the process where the individual leads of the lead frame are separate from the lead frame strip, either manually or auto. In the 8th stage is the electrical test. Electrical test is to ensure units are meeting electrical specification before shipping. Mark is the 9th stage. Marking is placed corporate and product identification on a package device using laser method. Marking also allows product differentiation. Only good units are marked after test. Finally is the 10th stage. In this stage, final packaging of products is being done prior shipping to customers.
For final test, inside the semiconductor factory, final test is purpose to testing the device if it works as specified in its specification. Okay, there are 3 types of testing. The first one, open short test. Second one, absolute test. And the third one, functionality test. For the open and short test, it is used to test whether the IC or the component is in good condition from power supply to output. The second one, absolute test. It is used to test the durability of the component For example, we check highest voltage to see the component it can handle at which limit. For the last one, functionality test, it is used to measure what is the output if we give the supply to the component or IC.